Imagine having an employee who works around the clock, never gets tired, doesn't make careless mistakes, and can handle complex tasks without step-by-step instructions. That's already a reality. In this episode, I'll explain how it works. Welcome to Madeja Digital, Episode 11. I'm your host, and today we're diving into something that's redefining what AI means for businesses: Claude's autonomous agents. Anthropic has released features that turn Claude into more than just a chat assistant. We'll cover Claude Code, the Agent SDK, the MCP protocol, and extended thinking. Together, these tools let Claude plan, execute, self-correct, and deliver complex results almost entirely on its own. Let's explore what this means for your small business in practical terms. Let's start with Claude Code. Picture sending a message like, "Create a workflow in N8N that takes new orders from my online store, logs them in Google Sheets, and sends a Slack alert." Claude Code doesn't just understand this. It writes the code, tests it, and deploys it, all from the command line. No programming skills needed. Now add MCP, the Model Context Protocol. This open standard lets Claude connect natively with your tools: Notion, Slack, Google Sheets, N8N. It's not a clunky integration. It's like giving Claude the keys to your digital office so it can work directly within your systems. For a small business, this means automating processes that used to require a developer or weeks of setup. The Agent SDK takes things further. It lets you build custom agents that use tools, browse the web, and chain multi-step reasoning, all without human intervention. What makes it truly powerful are the tool use loops. This means Claude can call an API, interpret the result, make decisions based on that data, call another API, fix errors if needed, and keep iterating until the task is done. Like an employee who solves problems independently. For example, an agent that every Monday checks your ERP stock levels, spots low inventory, compares prices from 3 suppliers online, and creates the optimal purchase order, all before you get to the office. The third key piece is extended thinking. When Claude faces a complex decision, it doesn't just give you an answer. Instead, it thinks out loud, showing its full chain of reasoning before acting. This is a game changer for small businesses because it removes the black box. If you ask Claude whether to open a new sales channel, it won't just say yes or no. It walks you through how it reached that conclusion. The variables considered, risks identified, and assumptions made. This transparency is crucial when AI decisions impact your business. You can verify the logic, correct wrong assumptions, and trust the outcome. Real transparency, not empty promises. So what should you take away from this episode? First, AI agents aren't the future. They're here and accessible in 2026. Second, start by automating your most repetitive, tedious process. That's your first candidate for an agent. Third, MCP is your best friend because it connects Claude to the tools you already use. No need to reinvent your workflow. And finally, when AI makes important decisions for your business, demand transparency. Claude's extended thinking delivers that. Autonomous AI doesn't replace your judgment. It enhances it. If this episode opened your eyes, imagine what you'll find at Madeja Digital: step-by-step guides, tool reviews, and real strategies to transform your small business with technology. Visit Madeja Digital. Subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss future episodes. And if this helped you, share it with another entrepreneur who could benefit. See you next time.